Okay, let's go.
Welcome to today's video, where we will review the best ways to increase YouTube views. If you are looking for ways to promote your YouTube channel, do not miss this video. Point 1. Choose popular topics *. 1. Identify popular and in-demand topics. 2. Use tools such as Google Trends and Keyword Tool to identify keywords. 3. Analyze your competitors to identify gaps in content. Point 2. Improve video quality *. 1. Use a high-quality camera. 2. Improve lighting and sound. 3. Edit the video to make it more attractive. 4. Add titles and explanations to the video. Point 3. Improve SEO *. 1. Use relevant keywords. 2. Write a detailed description of the video. 3. Use the classification. 4. Include links in the video description. Point 4. Promote the video *. 1. Share the video on social media. 2. Use paid ads on YouTube and Google. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. 4. Create a mailing list to boost engagement. Point 5. Engage with your audience *. 1. Respond to comments. 2. Create content that sparks discussion. 3. Use polls. 4. Provide regular content. Here are some tips to increase YouTube views. Don't forget to apply them consistently to achieve the desired results. Thanks for watching.